the All-Star Spotlight returning to Los Angeles in mid-February, Nike Basketball is set to make a strong statement with one of its most iconic retro releases. The Nike Zoom Huarache 2K4 All-Star is officially making a comeback, blending basketball history with modern demand as the league celebrates another All-Star weekend in LA. Set for a February 2026 release, official images confirm a faithful recreation of the original 2004 pair. The shoe features a clean white leather upper, royal blue accents on the toe guard and heel, and a bold red midsole that stays true to the classic Huarache look. Special details include the February 15, 2004 embroidery on the inner ankle, the LA logo on the upper, a matching royal blue shoe bag, and a custom box. While Nike has not announced an exact release date, the pair is expected to drop during the second week of February, just ahead of the 2026 NBA All-Star Game on February 15.